Welcome. In front of me is CHUWI GemiBook X Pro, and in this video I'm going to show you how to keep this laptop from sleeping. So in order to do that, you have to right click the battery icon in the bottom right corner of the screen, then go to power and sleep settings, select screen sleep and hibernate timeouts, expand this tab, and now you can see the option of make my device sleep after for both plugged in and on battery options. And if you want to keep your device from sleeping, you have to change this value to never, and this way your laptop will never go to sleep when it's plugged in to the charging cable. And if you want to do the same thing for your laptop when it works on battery, then change this value to never here. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.